Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled you're here today as we explore a fascinating word in the English language. Our word of the day is acid. This is a C1 level adjective, which means it's perfect for more advanced English learners. Acid has two main meanings. It can describe something with a sour taste or something with a harsh or sharp quality. Let's break it down. When we use acid to describe taste, we're usually talking about something like a lemon or vinegar. For example, this orange juice has an acid flavor. On the other hand, when we use acid to describe a tone or comment, it refers to something harsh or cutting, like in this sentence, she made an acid remark about his choice of outfit. Some synonyms for acid when describing taste include sour, tart, and sharp. For example, the lemonade was so sour that it made my face pucker. When referring to tone, synonyms might include harsh, biting, or cutting. For instance, his biting criticism left everyone feeling uncomfortable. These words capture similar meanings in slightly different ways. Antonyms for acid in the sense of taste could be sweet or mild. For instance, I prefer the sweet taste of ripe strawberries over the acid tang of unripe ones. In the sense of tone, antonyms might include gentle or kind, as in, her kind words helped soothe his anxiety. You might hear acid used in daily conversations or even in literary contexts. Imagine you're talking about food. The chef added a touch of lemon juice to balance the dish's richness with an acid note. Or perhaps discussing someone's tone. Her acid comments during the meeting made it clear she wasn't happy with the proposal. Here are a couple more examples to solidify your understanding. The green apples were so acid that I couldn't eat them without squinting. Or, his acid humor often alienated people who didn't understand his sarcasm. To wrap up, we've explored the word acid as both a descriptor of sour taste and a way to characterize sharp or harsh qualities. It's a versatile word that can be used in different contexts to add flavor, pun intended. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using acid and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.